This is the Luminaire Anderson screens. And okay, so we got to start on the passive side, as they call it. Clicks in the middle. Then this one comes this way. And I'm going to be describing the install process and some of the things you can run into. And mainly one problem is how your trim is set up, and how that affects the bottom track, which is really important. So if we look here, so here's one difference I would just want to show. If you buy the Phantom screens, this will just automatically pull. You don't need to unclick. But sometimes they can be hard to pull, so some people might like that click to unclick it. The problem I have here at the bottom, because something to do with how I trimmed out the doors, this track is loose and it's not supported underneath. So that's why I had some boards right here, because I was trying to see what it was like if I supported it underneath. And it actually works well that way. And the reason I kind of installed it like I did is so this could be more flush. I've seen some installs where this plate that you screw on, this cover plate, and this piece are raised up and laying on top of here, and it's actually pointing down, so it's kind of like a trip hazard. And I didn't want that. And to avoid that, I would have to build out some kind of frame down here that would rest on the ground or screwed into the concrete foundation there, the slab. That would hold up this bottom piece. If I don't, I risk it getting bent, stepped on, or pulled down. So what I'm actually gonna do, and it slides out off of the ledge here, what I'm gonna do is, let's see if I can release this one. How do you do this? It has on the back. I'm gonna actually take mine off and remount it. Right now it's looking good, but if I look in here, I couldn't mount it any further on any of these ledges because of the height I have inside here. And that has to do with the trim. I had to place a piece in the gap. So anyways, I'm gonna tear the trim off and get this remounted, and I think I am gonna end up with a lip there and a ramp coming up, but that's gonna be better because it's gonna be well supported. Now, another reason I didn't want it is because what if water comes in and then it's gonna get caught here, between here and here, it's gonna have to go all the way to the edge and run out underneath here and out and down. And I don't want possibly, to get water in here and flood my floor on a big rainstorm with heavy winds, like hurricane style. So that to note. Another problem with the way that I installed it here was you had gaps here, and I filled it in with foam, which was not hard to do, but you do have gaps. So that showed me, I need to reevaluate how I put this on and possibly do it differently. Now, you can see here too, this plate you get is not quite long enough, so there might be something else you could put in there, but maybe with the way that I try it next, we won't need to worry about that. So we'll see.